Hi, in this video we'll see how to add and remove the lens spacer on a MetaQuest 3S or 3 headset. Now the process to install it is pretty simple. First we'll turn off the headset. Next, this headband here, I have found that it's much simpler to add and remove the spacer where this band here is removed. Next step will be to remove this facial interface. You just need to pull on it and it comes off pretty easily. There is like 2 pins on the top and 2 pins on the bottom that need to declick. And now to install the spacer, we just need to push it in here, so it will click into the same 4 slots. So first these, and then the ones on the top. And now this headset is ready to be used by someone who wears glasses, as there is now a bit of extra distance between the lenses and the face. Now to remove the spacer, I have found that by starting from the bottom and finishing with the top, it's a lot easier to do. We'll start with the bottom ones, and next, the top ones. So that's it for this video. I hope it was useful to you. If that's the case, please leave a like, and I will see you in the next one.